Good morning, everybody out in LinkedIn world. This is Frank Crandall with eXp Realty, and I just wanted to get on really quick. And I have asked some of you before, but I wanted to repeat it, that I'm looking for about 10 to 12 associates throughout the United States of growing your real estate business. I have been a mentor, I've been a coach, I've been a team leader, sales manager for 2 companies, and I know that real estate agents just need help, okay? I know there's the 1% of realtors that do fantastic business, and then there's the rest who are looking for leads, looking for scripts, looking for dialogues, and wanna make it a better year than they had last year. If you do fit that scenario, please call me, 916-756-6042. 916-756-6042. Once again, this is Frank Crandall with eXp Realty. Have a great day.